got the other one. Let's go. Come on. Let's see if it's... if better this one. The last one. I'm gonna buy here, by the way. 15x there. Oh, 25x. Hey. Nice. Nice stuff here, huh? Okay, we got another one there and we got the guy, but we need to kill now. Hey, we need to kill. Hey. Okay. Okay. Yes, kill the guy. Kill the guy. Oh, Jesus. We need to kill the guy, man. Fuck. Look at this, man. Look, this multiplier, guys. 45. Guys. Kill the guy. Okay, it's gonna hit the guy. It's gonna hit the guy. No, didn't hit the guy, guys. And now we have a rat. Oh, shit. Holy shit, man. Kill the guy, kill the guy, kill the guy, kill the guy, kill the guy. Oh, man, kill the guy. Kill the fucking guy, man. Look, guys. Guys, if we kill the guy, this one is gonna multiply what the guy got. Man. Kill the guy, kill the guy, kill the guy, kill the guy. Man, we need to kill the guy. Bro. Bro, we need to kill the guy. Oh! This is gonna hit the guy also, eh? Kill the guy, man. Kill the guy, kill the guy. Yes! Yes! Sir! Go! Let's fucking go! Guys! Guys! I think it's max win! I think we got max win, man! I think we got max win, man! I think it's max win, guys! No way, man! I think it's max win! Come on! Guys! This is max win for sure. This is max win for sure. Man, this has to be max win, guys. Look, the 106 there. Look, the multiplier. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, no, I thought that was Oh, I thought that this gonna multiply that, man. Not add up. Ah. Man, I thought that was much more, guys. Ah, no. Alright. 1,270, you guys. I thought that was much more, guys. I thought that was much more, guys. So that was a fucking max win, man. I thought that was a fucking max win, man.